Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set different footers on each page word. You will start by opening your Word file. Check the available pages. After this, place the cursor on the second page. You're going to go to the Layout menu there, click on Breaks and click on Next Page. After that, place the cursor on the third page and from the Breaks option again, click on Next Page. When you do, double-click on the footer of the document. Enter the desired text and you can see that it will be the same on all sheets. To make it different, place the cursor on the second page. Now click on the Link to Previous button. Enter some additional word and you will see that it is not replicated on the first sheet, but on the other sheets it is. Here, place the cursor on page 3, and again you will click on Link to Previous. You can edit the text. You will see that it is different from the previous ones, and in this way you will be able to use a different footer in your word sheets. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.